In the world of birds, one rules them all, the eagle. With unmatched vision, strength, and speed, it's not just a bird, it's a legend. From the highest mountain peaks to the depths of cultural symbols, the eagle's power is awe-inspiring. But what truly makes it the undisputed king of the skies? Let's find out. Reasons why the eagle is the most powerful bird. 1. Incredible vision. First up, its incredible vision. Eagles have eyesight that's 8 times sharper than ours, allowing them to spot a rabbit over 3 miles away. Whether in the forest, desert, or sky, nothing escapes the eagle's powerful gaze. 2. Jaw-dropping speed and agility. When it comes to speed, the eagle transforms into a rocket. It can dive at an astonishing 120 miles per hour, slicing through the air with pinpoint precision. Its agility makes it one of the most feared hunters in the animal kingdom. 3. Raw strength. Ever wonder why eagles are called apex predators? Their talons can exert a crushing force of up to 500 psi, stronger than most predators on land. This raw strength allows them to hunt and carry prey much larger than themselves. 4. Supreme hunting skills. The eagle isn't just fast and strong, it's a master strategist. Whether swooping into water or ambushing from above, its precision and timing ensure a successful hunt nearly every time. 5. Adaptability and survival. No matter the terrain, towering mountains, dense forests, or windy coastlines, the eagle thrives. Its ability to adapt makes it a symbol of survival and resilience, even in the harshest conditions. 6. Symbolic power. The eagle's power goes beyond nature. It's deeply embedded in human culture. From being a national emblem to a symbol of strength and freedom, this bird has captured our imagination for centuries. Eagle. With its sharp vision, unmatched strength, and symbolic legacy, the eagle truly is the most powerful bird. What's your favorite fact about this legendary creature? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.